Yes. Yes, Scrubby. Hello. Hello, Mama. Hello. I got a big surprise for you. Hey, Mama. Big surprise. Look who I have. Who's that? There it is, Mama. Yeah. Hey, Mama. Yes, there's your Mama. Yeah. We came back for you, Mama. Yeah. Yeah. You wanna come with me, Mama? Yeah. All happy now. Come on, meet your other one. Come on. And here's your Mama. Look. We got your Mama. Yeah, there's Mama. Look, another one of your babies. You wanna come home with us now, yeah? Ooh. Okay. Not off. There. Reuniting Mama with our babies. It was yesterday in absolutely torrential rain that we managed to grab the kittens, but we couldn't get the mother. And I've been trying to find her ever since. So just now tonight at dusk, she's finally shown up. So very happy about this. And the kittens are acting up already. Delighted to see their mother. This is something else. Big cleaning frenzy. And she's got 3 more at home. So she'll be busy all night cleaning all our babies after being reunited. Yeah, very happy that you turned up, Mama. And your babies are even happier. She's certainly not feral. Luckily she's not afraid and she just came straight up. So makes it a lot easier. This is really, really nice. There's nothing like the love between kittens and their mother. Yeah, we're gonna go home now, yeah? Okay, everyone, come on, this way. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Hey. Hello. Come on, Mama. Let's go. We got another 3 babies. Yeah, come on. So off we go home. Reunited Mama and kittens. Unbelievable. You on your own, huh? Ah, hello. Ah, hello. You on your own? Starving as always.